Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can export your data from ServiceNow. Firstly, open up your developer's account. Then choose whatever data you want to extract. For me, I will choose incident. Then I will click all incidents. And now what you can do is just go at the top part where all the categories are written and click on any three dot icon like this. Click on that and just press export. Now you have multiple formats like Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, PDF and export sheet. What I'm going to choose is Excel. You can choose anything you may like. After exporting is complete, just click on download and save any location in your system. Now simply just open it. So as you can see, the data has been exported completely to our Excel sheet. So that's all. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.